This video is just a really quick what I eat in a day on Slimming World, and I always start the day with a cup of tea. I had that whilst I was getting ready. And then for breakfast I had some mixed berries with some melon, banana and an Aldi light Greek style yoghurt that was strawberry flavoured. And over the top I crumbled a fruit and nut hi-fi bar because it just makes it taste like a really naughty treat. As usual, Harry likes to take a little bit of everything we eat. We call it the Harry tax. And yeah, we can't eat a meal without him having some. So I guess that's one way to limit our portion sizes because he always takes his share. After that, I had a cup of tea. I love Yorkshire tea, it's my absolute favourite, and I always have one sweetener in there as well. The milk for my cups of tea is from my Healthy Extra A Choice. For lunch we had homemade chips, egg and a salad made of courgette, carrots, tomato, pepper and cucumber. It's our favourite lunch. Then I had a coffee. It's a Beanies flavoured one, which is sin-free and tastes gorgeous. It's pancake day, so Harry had pancakes for tea and I had one with sweetener and lemon. And then later on for my tea, I had chicken sarg, which is a recipe from the Slimming World website and is really, really tasty. This evening for a snack I had a one sin curly whirly brownie, a salted caramel hi-fi bar, 2 strawberries, a satsuma and another cup of tea. And that's everything that I ate today. Thank you for watching.